again, it's subjective. It depends on what type of organization you work in. It depends on, the stakeholders that are part of your project. It depends on your experience as a project manager. A lot of times what we will do is, like I stated earlier at the beginning of the video, that we will dictate and say it's the project manager's responsibility and accountability. But that's not always true in every organization, because you may have a resource manager that will be responsible for helping that you guys collaborate on and create a resource management plan in way where they will be responsible for the bandwidth of the resources, of saying, hey, you need X amount of resources, but you'll be responsible for planning those resources in. I hope that helps somebody today around resource planning. I may do a deeper dive if you guys want me to do a deeper dive on resource planning, what type of tools I would use, how I would approach it, and everything of that nature. But from a high level, these 8 points plus those two bonus points will definitely help you and assist you. And you got to look at the organization that you're in, and to identify, hey, do we have a resource manager? If we don't, do we have a PMO? We don't. If we don't have that, okay, I guess it's all going to fall on me. If it falls on me, how am I going to be able to get resources in to support me, or maybe getting a resource manager, or maybe even creating a PMO? But anyway, till next time, family, I'm your boy AD, and you know my slogan.